Eco-friendly products exposed. Do dishwasher sheets clean as well as dishwasher tabs? We made the same big breakfast in 2 different pans. One of them is being cleaned with our eco dishwasher sheets, and the other is being cleaned with a regular dishwasher tablet. Let's see if our eco-friendly sheets can compete with the big brand stuff. Look, no difference, it's just as clean. However, unlike these tablets, which have harsh chemicals like bleaches and dyes in them, our sheets are made from plant-derived ingredients that are safe for the environment. So what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. They come out at the same price, if not lower than the big brand stuff. So why not support a small family business and give us a shot? Click shop now or visit wearedip.co.uk to get yours today.